Check out your Lowe's. They've got lawnmowers from last year, some of them demos, etc., that are marked down. And if you need some air filters for your OPE, they've got some variety pack, $267 down from $497. Or some safety goggles, $11.97 down from $19.98. Looking for a cargo bag? They've got an 18-inch Cobalt cargo bag, 12 external pockets, 6 internal pockets, $34.97 down from $49.98. Get ready for summer with this cute little deal. Cooler Pro wireless speaker system with cooler, $34.97 down from $70. In the back aisle,